what is cultural relativism? So cultural relativism perspective was proposed by a German-American anthropologist and a widely known as father of American anthropology, no other than Franz Boas. So according to him, we need to understand other culture by using their own terms or using the terms of that culture. Or dili dapat nato i-judge ang uban nga culture base sa ato ang culture. For example, so diba, in the practices of Muslims, they are allowed to have more than one wives if kaya lang yun nila na buhion, diba? And others says na, wala unsa man na practices with. So bastos man kayo, ay nga no, Muslim ka. Diba dili? So you have to understand the culture of others using sa ilaha jud mismo nga kultura. You're not allowed to judge the other culture by the use of your own culture. Kay dili gid mo mag-abot ana. Kay lahi imong culture, lahi iyang culture. So very importante kayo yun kanang cultural relativism because it promote kanang peace, cohesion with the society even though lahi-lahi tag mga kultura, pero through having that kanang through adapting that perspective maka-promote ta og kanang happiness, joy and peace sa ato ang society. So that would be all.